Hello everyone, Miguel here. Welcome to my channel, and this is episode number 12 of Boost Your Business. This is a series in which I choose service-based business websites and I review them in order to see if I can find things that I would change on those sites to improve their conversions. In other words, the visitors that are arriving at that site, if we can get more visitors to do the action that that business wants them to take, which is calling them, contacting them, and becoming a customer. And the point of this is that by you going over these websites live with me, because I don't edit these videos or anything, you can see the way I look at the websites and hopefully find things that you can implement on your websites in order to increase your conversions as well. So without further ado, I already have a search that I did for us, and it's house cleaning near me. So we're just going to choose, and this time we'll go ahead and choose from the top just to see what we get. So we have Dusty's cleaning service and let me clean your home. That sounds interesting. Let me clean your home. So let's just go for this one. So their Google profile, they have 4.6 stars out of 68 reviews. So that's very good. They have a good base with their business profile, and they have their phone number here, so it's all good. So let's go ahead and click over to their website and see what they have going on. Okay, so that's the actual name of the business. Let me clean your home. That's nice. And that looks like a home and some drops of water. So I like the logo. Um, if it was me, I would probably change it just to have something that conveys cleaning. I know that water, the blue, and apparently the image of a home or something is good, but I would just better convey it. Like if somebody sees my logo and they don't know anything about my company, I like my logo to say exactly what I do. Let me clean your home is good. The text is good. The image is just what I would change. But it's actually not bad because the text is saying let me clean your home. So that's not a big issue actually. Now, the menu, you have home, about us, our system, contact, and reviews. So that's pretty good. You have free estimates over here. So you have your phone number, but oops, I can't click on it or some. Well, I guess if you hover over here, you can actually click on it, but it takes me to your contact page. Once again, you have a bunch of water everywhere. So, okay, so first of all, the very first thing I'm doing is making sure that this phone number is click to call. If somebody wants their house cleaned, they most likely want to speak with somebody. So I'm making this click to call so that they can easily reach out to me and ask whatever questions they have. Another thing that I'm going to add is a chat. Like, some people don't like talking over the phone, but they may be willing to quickly chat with you. You answer their questions, and then you can say, hey, would you like me to call you so that we can set up a consultation? And then you can take it from there. So I'm doing that. I'm adding the chat, and then I'm probably going to add a form over here somewhere. Let me get my pen out. Oops. Okay, so this section here is good. The free estimates, I would probably just put it here, or I will move the menu over this way so that I can have the free estimate up here, and that way I don't waste this space over here, and then I can just move this stuff up here. But this right here, I'm getting rid of completely because it's just their logo. So once again, you have your logo up here, and then you're gonna have your logo up here. And remember, when I clicked over to your website, is because I like the name. Let me clean your home. So I don't need to see let me clean your home when I click on your page, Then when I come to your page, let me clean your home. Then I look at your page further down and it's let me clean your home. In other words, everything is let me clean your home. And this is just your logo. So over here, I'm going to put award-winning home home cleaners or personal home cleaning service or something about the service, something about the company, what they do, not a repetition of their logo. And then I'll have the form over here that people can fill out and get a free quote or get a free consultation or something like that. Just to make good use of the top section because most people are going to make a decision about your website, whether they like it or not, as soon as they arrive at it within a millisecond. Basically, they're gonna look at it, they're either gonna go back or they're gonna stay. Right now, all I see is your logo, your logo. Those are the two main things that pop out. Your phone number pops out a little bit, but I can't click on it, so I'm probably just gonna bounce and go somewhere else. Um, so that's how I would fix the top area. Now let's go ahead and move down. Sustainable cleaning. I could put that here. Sustainable cleaning, and then the form over here, but not logo upon logo upon logo. And then we offer custom cleaning experience, yada yada. So let's say read more, and then it takes you to there about us. Okay, so that's good. Some bit of information. So right here, without changing too much on the page, if you just want to increase your conversions right away, very easy. Move the phone number up, and then this here, put it over here. Let's see why it's not working. Over here. Okay, so my pen is going a little crazy, so I'm just gonna stop using it. But basically, what I was trying to say is I will move this over here on the left side, and then I will have the form on the right side. And then I will leave just the read more. I will leave it right there where it takes them to their contact, and then the form will have like a submit button that's accentuated so that people know, hey, this is what I want you to do. I want you to either call me, to chat with me, or to fill out the form. And so going down, opening hours, Monday through Friday, 8 to 6 p.m., clean, safe, healthy environment. So a little bit of information about what they do. Our location, Hollywood, Florida. So that's not really a location, that's just a service area. If you don't want to show a location, I definitely understand because you may be a remote business. So that's fair. That's you don't have to show a location. So you could just say areas we service and put on there all the areas that you service instead of our location is Hollywood, Florida 33020. Uh, it would just work better and it would look better. Once again, over here, it's you can barely see it, but the logo is right here again. So that's way too much branding with the logo. And then I don't know if you guys can see the images. They're kind of blurry. I'm assuming it's because there were smaller images and then they 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 increased the sizing to fit this section. So I'm definitely using higher quality images so that it looks more professional. So they have a Facebook and they have it linked. This is the payments they offer. I'm not sure what JCB is, but I'm just going to assume that's like a credit card company or something. And then their footer is just Hollywood, Florida, 333020. Let me clean Florida. Okay, so the footer, I'm going to have my menu over here because the important navigation menus, I'm gonna have it at the top and at the bottom so that if people are going down my site, they can easily navigate my page without having to go back up or anything like that. Um, and then just to add more oomph to this website, I'm going to have a services section where I describe the specific cleaning services that I offer. So maybe let's say if you offer window cleaning as a standalone service, then I would say, window cleaning, or if you do commercial cleaning and residential cleaning, those are obviously two different services, even though you're just cleaning. So you could just mention, like, say, you do restaurant cleanups, you do, um, let's say, like crime scene cleanups or whatnot. Just any service within your company that you offer that you could just mention specifically. I would definitely have a section for that. And then if you have a team, which obviously, I mean, you may be a one team band, but if you have a team, I would add some images of the people that would actually be going into these homes. And that's because you would be creating a special connection with that person if you show a picture or an image of your team, or maybe just an image of yourself, so that when that person arrives at that home, they don't know this person. So this is a service that you're going, one on one. You're going into someone's home, their private bubble. So the more connection that you can create with them before showing up, the better. The easier it's gonna be for them and for you because there's not gonna be that friction of not knowing you. If they've already seen your face, they may be, oh wow, that's so and so, even though they don't know you, but they've already seen you. And what else would I add? Just off the top of my head, I would just do, yeah, I would just add the services and then the teams. And then definitely I would have reviews. I would have the reviews showing up because you have some good reviews over here. So you could do something like I did. Like, let me show you. So I have this where it's just showing the reviews from my Google business profile. We have very good reviews, so I want to show them off. And these are real people that we've done work for, so people can connect with that. In your case, you have 68 reviews, so that's a lot of reviews. That's a lot of people saying that you do great work. So I'm definitely showing that off, and that's going to help you also convert more people because they're gonna feel more at ease. You couple that with a phone number, a a form, a chat, and I can guarantee you your conversions will skyrocket. Why? Because it's going to basically your website is going to create a connection with people before they even contact you because they're going to see your team, they're going to see your reviews. So they're already gonna feel like, oh, this is a nice company, they're around the block, they're in the neighborhood. So they're friendly, they're nice, that people like them, and you're definitely going to convert better. And if you think about it, the way I look at conversions is this way. And I'm going off on a tangent because that's about it as far as this website goes. So when I look at conversions, I think about it this way. So let's say this company right here, let's say they charge $200 to clean a home for the first time. And then every time after that, let's say they do it once a month and it's $100 since they've already cleaned it fairly well the first time. And I don't know, I'm just using fake numbers off the top of my head. So let's say that this company charges $200 for the first visit, where they do like a deep cleaning of your house. And we're just going to assume, like a 2 or 3 bedroom house, just a regular house. So $200. Then monthly, they're charging $100. And let's say a client normally stays with this company 3 to 4 years. Let's just say 1 year to make it easier. So that's basically 200 plus 11 months at 100. So that's $1,100. So that every client is worth $1,300 to this company. Right now, let's say that they're converting at, if 100 people come to this website, let's say that they're getting calls from 10 people. But out of those 10 calls, they're getting two clients. And we're just gonna say each month. So that's 2,600 dollars that this website could be generating for them each year, or each month, I mean, per client. Now, let's say that they implement this stuff that we just discussed, and now they're getting, instead of 10 calls, they're getting 30 calls. Now, these 30 calls are turning into, instead of two clients, they're turning into eight clients. So their conversions went up, and more people are contacted them as well. So one, they have more chances to to get clients, because they're speaking with clients, and two, they're going to make a lot more money. Think about it: eight clients, and if each one per year is worth $1,300, that's eight times $1,300. So that's like 10,000 something, and that would be each month that this website could be generating for them, based on obviously our fictitious numbers. This website could be generating for them $10,000 worth of revenue each year or each month for that client's lifetime, if they were only to stay 1 year. And that's not to mention that you are going to more houses, so you're going to get more referrals, you're going to get more reviews, so your website is going to rank better, so you're going to get more visitors to your websites. A lot of the people that you're doing business with, they're going to recommend you to their friends. So basically, it's not only about increasing your conversions 2 or 3%, it's about the effect that 2 or 3% can have on your business. It's not just about that one conversion. It's about that one conversion over the lifetime of that client's over the lifetime value of that client to your company. And on top of that, what they're going to bring in for you. Because when it comes to cleaning, I know, because I've done house flips. So one thing about cleaning is that people tend to, if they like you, they're going to recommend you. They're not gonna think about it twice. If they like you, and a friend of theirs says, "Hey, I need someone to clean my house." If they like you, they're right away, "Hey, contact so and so from Let Me Clean Your Home." That's it. And they're going to sell for you. So if you get one extra client just by doing these things, that's going to basically give you, who knows how much revenue from that one extra client that you're getting each month, or those that increase. So anyways, that's about it for rambling about the importance of conversion optimization. If you have a business website that you want me to review, and it's a service-based business, let me know in the comments. Leave a comment below. If you don't like leaving public comments, you can contact me at uniquewebdesigner.com. And as always, please share this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, unique is